This is Valley, a functional everyday backpack made to improve your digital life. At Barner, we have a clear mission to empower the digital generation with creative, functional, and beautifully designed products. Now, after successfully launching 2 Kickstarter campaigns, providing more than 100,000 satisfied users worldwide with blue light protection, and becoming a B Corp, we are proud to be back on Kickstarter with our latest innovation, which we've been passionately developing for the past 2 years. As heavy tech users ourselves, we've realized that it's not easy to keep your daily essentials readily accessible and organized in one unique bag. This is why we've created Valley, a durable, adaptable, and totally versatile backpack built to meet the unique needs of the digital generation. Valley is made for everyday use. It allows you to perfectly organize and carry all of your digital essentials. Plus, you'll have extra space and functional compartments to store. A change of clothes for your morning workout, business trips, or weekend getaways. Your photo gear so you're sure to not miss the perfect shot. Food to enjoy on the go or at the office. And beverages that you can keep cool to enjoy when you just want to chill. Valley has more than 20 pockets and compartments to give you endless possibilities to smartly store anything you want in the easiest and most comfortable way. The backpack is divided into 3 main parts, which are used to store many different items. The back panel, with its accessible clamshell opening, has 2 main pockets that are used to store notebooks and your tablets. And it also includes an elasticized mesh pocket for your keyboard and a zippable pocket for your mouse or computer charger. The bottom mesh allows you to fasten an extractable computer case into your bag while securing plenty of different on-the-go essentials thanks to its elastic bands. On the front, the backpack has a waterproof, odor-free zippered pocket that gives you the versatility to store one of our 3 add-ons, depending on your daily needs. If you won't be using an add-on, the backpack's front space can be used as is and is easily accessed from the top opening. But that's not all. You also have 2 zippered pockets, multiple mesh pockets, a neoprene case for your glasses, and elastic bands so you can comfortably store anything and everything you might need. As if all this wasn't enough, Valley also includes a hidden pocket on the outside of the bag so you can protect your most important items, a retractable key holder in the side pocket, and last but not least, a magnetic mesh pocket for your water bottle, because we all know how important it is to stay hydrated. The breathable ergonomic back panel and the front adjustable strap will keep you consistently comfortable when you're on the move. For those days of heavy loads, we have created extra comfortable shoulder straps. Plus, these straps are uniquely designed so that you can wear Valley as a classic backpack or hold it like a suitcase by tucking away the straps in the back panel and carrying from the side handle. Valley's high-quality textile materials are water-resistant. That way you can face the elements with confidence, knowing that your gear will remain dry and protected. At Barner, we care about the environment, and in addition to making Valley using 100% recycled polyester as the main external material, the backpack is also Blue Sign certified. Valley has the versatility to adapt to any situation thanks to its 3 different add-ons. Let's say you start your day doing some yoga. When you're done, simply store your workout clothes in the backpack's separate odor-free waterproof compartment. Once you get to the office, you can easily unpack your work essentials in time for your next meeting thanks to thoughtfully compartmentalized storage areas. Finally, the foodie add-on will keep your lunch sealed and well preserved until you're ready to dig in. Like to hang out with friends and a few drinks after work? The insulated foodie cube can also keep your beverages of choice nice and cold so that you can chill and have a good time wherever you go. For the adventurers, Valley's handy camera cube can keep your photography gear safe and organized so that you're always ready to capture the moment. If you're a frequent traveler, be it for work or pleasure, Valley will be your perfect travel companion. The backpack's TSA-friendly design takes the hassle out of going through airport security, and the adaptable trolley sleeve allows you to slide the bag over your carry-on handle. Once you've arrived at your destination, you're ready to go with everything you need thanks to Valley's 2-day packing capacity. Take the next step in improving your daily digital lifestyle with a Valley Everyday Backpack, and keep on living the good life with Barner.